lot of you. And if the sky that we look upon, oh, my grandma and your grandma sitting by the fire. The final return will not diminish. Your grandma sitting by the fire. My grandma told your grandma I'm gonna set your flag on fire. Talking about hey now, I go one day, jack 'em off in a night. It's 9:32 on a Saturday. The crowd shut. You're my bright-eyed girl. Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. A little bit of me and a whole lot of you. Add a dash of starlight and a dozen roses too. Then let it rise for 100 years or two. And that's the recipe for making love. It doesn't mean I didn't get it from my grandma's book up on the shelf. I didn't get it from a magical and culinary. No little birdie told me you can't make it by yourself. And that's the recipe for making love. Stand by me, stand by me. If the sky that we look upon, oh, should tumble and fall, and the mountains should crumble to the sea. 100 to 1 shot, they call you a klutz. And outrun the favorite, all you need is the guts. Your final return will not diminish.
Oh, did you see the dollar sign? Ooh, is that a flag? Ooh, wow. Let's see if it's going to move. Bo, 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 bo. So the audience, what do you say with the appearance? What do you say with the stability? Okay, my judges. Okay, they're saying 10, 10, 9. Wow, that's a very good one. So, do we still have another ship? My judges, can we see? Can you tell us who is the winning one here? Which ship is taking it up? According to your scores, what do you say? Okay, they're still checking. All right.
prize was excellent in all aspects, whether it's seaworthiness, creativity, a good float, all of them were top notch. So we are giving the winning prize to the USS Badger.
We're on the Holland Rotterdam international champion boat building. Bob and I, number one.
Meet me in the moonlight or in the daylight, pretty little baby. I'm so in